Hi everybody, this is the English lesson for Monday the 18th of January 2021 and today we are learning to rhyme. Now we have done some other rhyming lessons over the last few days, so make sure that you have done the other lessons before you have a go at this one. So I've written 2 words on here just to remind us what rhyming means. So remember, it's words that often have a similar sounding sound at the end of the word and different letters at the start of the word. So I've got the word sad and the word mad. So the S and M at the beginning are different, but at the end the sounds are the same. Okay, now we have had a message at Portway Infant School telling us that Wizard Lizard needs our help, and he has called for the superstar learners in year 1 to help him with his predicament, with his problem. So as you know, in the story he went bang crash thump, the wizard's in the rubbish dump, and now he needs some help to get out. His crow has flown away and he doesn't know what to do, but he thinks if the children in year 1 at Portway Infant School can write him a rhyming potion, he might be able to get out of the rubbish dump. And he promises that if he does get out, he will not hurt any other creatures, and he certainly won't hurt our hero Superworm. So I think we can probably help him. So what you are going to do in your homework book or on a lined piece of paper, make sure that it's lined, you are going to write a list of ingredients to help Wizard Lizard escape from the rubbish dump. Now remember, when you're writing a list, you write your first word on the first line, and then after that the next word goes underneath. It doesn't go next to it. It doesn't start somewhere in the middle. It always starts by the margin, and you always write the next word underneath when you're writing a list. So just remember that when you're writing your list today. Now I'm going to write a potion that I think might help Wizard Lizard get out of the rubbish dump. But please don't copy mine, because I want to see your ideas, okay? So don't copy my idea. Think of your own, but I'm going to write my potion here. Now, you might want an extra challenge today. Your extra challenge is to use quantities, so amounts, using words at the beginning like 1, 2, 3, 4, so that Wizard Lizard and his crow know exactly how much of each thing they need. Now, if you are going to do this extra challenge, make sure that you are writing those digits the right way round, or if you're writing them as words, make sure you're spelling them correctly, because in year 1 we have to be able to spell numbers as words correctly. Okay, there is another video on that I'll put up just in case you want to have a quick look at it to help you with writing your numbers as words. But that is the extra challenge. So the main challenge today is to write your potion, and I'm going to have a go now, but remember, don't copy mine, okay? So the first thing I'm going to put in my potion is, so I'm going to use one of the numbers as words. I'm going to write 1. So in my potion I want 1 big wig. Okay, so I've made sure my letters are sitting on the line. I've made sure I started them all in the correct place. And I've made sure that these 2 words on the end rhyme. So I've got 1 big wig. They end in the same sounds, but they start with a different sound. The next thing that I want in my potion is 1 red bed. There we go. So I've got 1 big wig, 1 red bed. Next up, I'm going to write 1 guess what I'm going to write? That's right. One smelly welly. Yuck. I've still got space for 2 more, so I'm going to have... So I'm not going to start this one with a number. I'm going to start this one with a word. Large. Now if I put the next sound, I wonder if you can guess what my word's going to be. What word starts with a B? With the letter B that rhymes with large. A large barge. That's a type of boat, if you didn't know. So I've got one big wig, one red bed, one smelly welly, a large barge. And I'm going to go back to words again, and I'm going to use one lucky Now if I write the sound, I wonder if you can guess what word I'm going to write. One lucky d. Oh, well done. Whoops, it's hard to do it with one hand. One lucky ducky. There you go. I've written my potion. My potion to free Wizard Lizard from the dump is one big wig, one red bed, one smelly welly, a large barge, one lucky ducky. Okay, so I want to see your ideas, and remember, if you want to, you can change the quantities. I've just written 1 because it was easy for me to do on here, but you could write 3 or 2 or 4 of each ingredient if you want an extra challenge. Okay, have a good try. Let your teacher know your potions, and once we've got all of the potions in, I'll contact Wizard Lizard and his crow and get them to come and pick the potions up. Okay, all right then everybody, I'll speak to you again soon. Bye for now.